Hi, I'm Dr. Ray Bishop, and today we're going to give you a little bit of data in reference to keeping your pet's ears clean and healthy. So there are various kinds of dog ear carriages. Freckles has very long ears that hang very low and tend to predispose him to a lot of problems. He actually had ear infections for quite a number of years, and about 3 years ago when we first saw him, we actually correctly treated him and got him comfortable. Dogs like German Shepherds have an open ear canal and tend to have fewer problems in general than do floppy-eared dogs. There's also dogs like Schnauzers where the ears are trimmed. Pit Bulls have ears that are trimmed. Dobermans obviously have very erect ears, so those ears tend to be wide open and tend to have fewer problems. The ear in the dog is quite a bit different than the ear in the human. You've all probably seen an otoscope before when you went to the doctor, and this part was really, really short. Well, it's long because we have a very long ear canal. Our ear canal actually ends about right here. We don't have any of the vertical canal. So when we're cleaning the ears, what we're actually doing is we don't really want to use Q-tips, because Q-tips in the ear will tend to abrade the canal and push debris deeper. So we actually clean the ear by filling the ear canal with cleaner. Epiotic Advanced is the one that we actually recommend. Fill the ear with cleaner, you'll collapse the vertical canal, and then what we do is pack it with cotton. Pack the ear canal with cotton. It won't go around the corner or mess with the eardrum at all or hurt the eardrum. We then collapse the canal and get the liquid that we've suspended debris in. That liquid is sucked up in the cotton, and then we pull the cotton out. And if the cotton's dirty, we will go ahead and fill the canal again, put more cotton in, massage it, pull the cotton out. If it's still dirty, we'll continue the process until the cotton's coming out pretty clean. And then we just put dry cotton in, dry it, and we're done with it. So weekly cleaning is what we're recommending in most dogs, or do it after swimming, grooming, or any activity like playing in the snow where you would get water, or he could get water, or she could get water in the ears. So when we clean the ear canal, we'll use the outer ear, which we call the pinna. We'll use that kind of as a canal to allow the cleaner to go down in the ear, and then we'll massage it. Freckles is not going to groan too loudly here. Some dogs groan very loudly. We'll take a little piece of cotton. We use roll cotton rather than cotton balls because it tends to be a little less compacted. Take the cotton, push it down into the ear, massage the canal. Pull the cotton out. You can wipe the inner part of the ear canal. One area that you might want to use cotton-tipped applicators or Q-tips on would be these little folds in this outer ear, just to try to free things up. More liquid, massage it. His ears are pretty clean now because we've cleaned them recently. Push the cotton down into the ear canal, massage it. This is a two-person project for the most part. Some dogs, after they've been trained really well, will sit real still for it, but a lot of dogs will shake their heads initially, so initially it's probably going to be a two-person project. If your veterinarian tells you that the pet has an ear infection, you might ask him or her to let you see through the ear otoscope to see what he's seeing. We continue to do rechecks on ears if there's an ear infection until the ear canal looks normal. I try my best to have the client look in the ear canal so that they see that there is total resolution. I just put in dry cotton, and the cotton's coming out clean, the ear's now dry, and we're basically done done with the ear cleaning. So if there's scratching or head shaking, you certainly want to see your veterinarian. Otherwise, clean the ears at least once a week. In long-eared dogs, even in short-eared dogs, if there's excessive scratching, it indicates that there's pain and discomfort. It could also result in a surgical problem because they can rupture blood vessels in the outer ears. So cleaning is a great way to make sure that your pet's ears are in really fine shape and keeping them healthy. So thank you very much.